Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today we will know about how to get and use face filter on Instagram. So guys, to get this filter, first you have to check out my video description. There I have given my Telegram link and there you will get filter video link. Okay guys, when you open that link from Telegram, you will get this video on Instagram. Okay, now guys, you have to click on this filter on here and have to click on the use effect option. Okay, now guys, you will click on the suggested audio. Okay, and have to done from here. Guys, still I am using back camera, but you have to turn your front. After that you have to long press your camera and video will be recorded. So guys, in this way you can use this filter very easily. Okay.